SDT, savunma, uzay ve havacılık alanında
SDT is a product-focused company working worldwide, delivering high-technology, innovative engineering solutions for its customers in the sectors of defense, space and aviation.
global bir şirket olmayı hedeflemektedir.
SDT Space and Defense Technologies is a customer-orientated defense industry company focused on developing and manufacturing products at international norms. SDT is one of the few companies in Turkey that is capable of developing both software and hardware products. SDT possesses special expertise in selecting the areas that have never been focused on in industry in Turkey. SDT has developed synthetic aperture radar technologies since SDT was established in 2005. SDT serves the Turkish Armed Forces requirements by providing them solutions for night and day reconnaissance and surveillance under all weather conditions. As part of Turkey's reconnaissance satellite programs, SDT is responsible to develop user services subsystem of the Göktürk ground station under Turkish Air Force Command in scope of the high-resolution Göktürk-1 electro-optical and Göktürk-3 SAR satellite projects. SDT has also been developing automatic target detection software for detection and recognition of targets and threats through special algorithms over such images using demand management systems. SDT has developed a decision support system that feeds the cockpit vision systems through image processing and multi-sensor data fusion approaches within the scope of the Alicia project under EU Framework 7 R&D programs. In addition to studies for remote classification of plants and the perception of their physical condition in cultivated areas, civilian applications, such as the detection of sea pollution, are among SDT's innovative technologies. The identification of military and civilian targets over the hyperspectral data on various bands acquired from both air platforms and satellite sources is among SDT's recent projects. Aside from the processing of point cloud data acquired via the LIDAR sensor, its fusion with the images acquired from other sources has paved the way for users to develop different custom applications. SDT has the infrastructure and know-how, software development, product integration and production, as well as after-sales services. In order to meet the requirements of the Turkish Armed Forces, most of SDT's software, hardware and integrated electronic products are currently being utilized at many platforms. The digital data recording systems family of products are considered as SDT's flagship. These products have been operating successfully within the scope of many of Turkey's current programs, such as T-38, Atak, Hurkus and Anka. SDT's goal is to take part in foreign programs with her products that have been designed and manufactured completely indigenously. The Platform Management Systems product family, which was designed for command control requirements of the land, air and naval platforms, functions as image processor and transfer for environmental awareness, interface transformation and remote access, symbol production and image overlay, and sliding map and obstacle detection. In addition, SDT takes part in the work packages of the firing systems of many missile integration projects. SDT also develops various simulation and training systems. In this regard, special task simulators, engineering simulators and embedded simulation products integrated into the utilized systems are at the forefront. The new generation and indigenous products for live air combat trainings and operations are among the training technologies that SDT offers to its customers. These products enable the increase of tactical and maneuver capabilities of military pilots under real flight conditions. SDT is also developing simulators to improve the firing, operation capabilities and tactics for basic marksmanship and special task trainings for the Turkish Armed Forces. SDT has been working in the electronic warfare area since its establishment. Within the scope of the projects conducted in both RF and infrared bands, many hardware and software products such as integrated systems installed in the shelter, analog and digital receivers, recorders, and mission and analysis software are being introduced by SDT. Besides the electronic warfare mission systems, products for testing, measurement and evaluation of the existing systems are also being developed. Through the improvement in design of industrial electronic commercial products and bringing them in line with military standards, SDT has been able to transform commercial electronic equipment to such levels that they would be able to operate in military platforms such as submarines, aircraft and armored land vehicles. SDT continues its development through dynamic and innovative steps by increasing the sale of the local and indigenous defense and aviation products in the export market, in line with the growth targets of Turkey, based on research and development programs. When the idea to establish the company blossomed in 2005, my first goal was to provide an environment for our citizens where advanced technology and original engineering solutions could be developed, all while keeping the assets of our country within the country. At this point in time, I am proud to be a part of a family where, in addition to accomplishing our goals, which are raised every year, original products and solutions are presented to the international market. I would like to thank all of those whose efforts have led to our successes and to making SDT a national asset.